So this is the Panasonic cyclonic inverter microwave, 1250 watts. Comes with the rotary knob, which someone complained about, but I like it. Here's how to set your power level. And if you give it a fast twist, you can get up to 5 minutes in seconds. But if you turn it slow, you get smaller increments. Press start, you can start cooking. You also have the quick 30-minute button here too. You can see that, quick 30. So 30-minute increments. You got the timer clock setting here. You see it's 8:03 p.m. Keep warm, sensor cook. There's 20 sensor cook settings. You can set the time and wait here using these menus. They're numbered 1 through 20, I believe. And, you know, standard popcorn, coffee. And this is the defrost button here where you put the pounds in for their meat or whatever you're defrosting. Inside, it's pretty big. This is a 2.2 liter internal. Comes with a big glass table. I think that's an LED light. It's very bright. I believe it is. But one flaw is when they ship mine, the shipper or whoever, either UPS or USPS, the box is not padded on the back, or there's pads on the corners and the top and the sides, but not on the back. And they obviously they put it down and then at the back, which doesn't deter from its performance, but it's not perfect now. So it's a big microwave. Make sure you have space. And I like the knob. It's pretty cool. And the buttons are easy to press and release, unlike some other microwaves. So I'm not going to say Toshiba's or whatever. Okay.
This kind of beautiful Panasonic microwave. It is big, as you can see by the cat here for scale. And it is, the dog's reflecting, that's how shiny it is. It has 1250 watts, not 1100. So, we have just put in a meal here. Got plenty of space. Healthy Choice Merlot says on the container to do 4 to 4.5 minutes, and I did 4. Just to go to the low end. Let's see how it turned out. Very first thing here. And I would say it looks perfect. It feels very hot, but not too hot.